Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you are facing this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad camera, and if you are trying to open the camera and you are trying to take the picture and you are facing the iPhone camera black screen, then here in this video, here you can see that here the iPhone camera has become black and it's not working. So how you can fix this problem on your iPhone or iPad device if you are facing iPhone camera black problem. So how you can fix this problem if your camera has become black and it's not working, and how you can fix this problem. So here in this video I will tell you the possible solutions how you can fix iPhone black camera problem. So first of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, here first of all you will have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone or iPad device. So here press and release the volume up button, then here press and release the volume down, and here press the power button until Apple logo appears. Then after restarting your iPhone device, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. You will need to tap on setting. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below. Then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest version of the iOS. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then again you will need to open setting, then here scroll it below, then tap on general, then here scroll it below, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then here tap on reset, then here tap on reset all settings. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will need to clean your camera lens by the clean cotton or clean cloth, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will need to launch the camera application again, and here close this, and after that again open and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution, open setting on your iPhone or iPad device, and here scroll it below, tap on general, then here you will need to scroll it below, then here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then here you will have to factory reset your iPhone device, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then at the last you will have to consult with your Apple repair center, and after that they will help you to fix this problem. So in this way you can fix this problem if you're having this type of problem, your iPhone camera has become black and it's not working. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.